KDP Low Content Books. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a low KDP content book. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what a low KDP content book is, it's basically like small notebooks that people use for schools or for colleges, like a composition notebook, right? It's pretty simple, nothing too fancy. All right, so for example, let's go over here onto Amazon, and if I just search for composition books over here, composition notebooks, then over here you will see have all these different types of notebooks, and as you can see, they're selling pretty cool good as well. They're really nice, they're really easy to make as well. They're nothing too complicated, they're just notebooks that have like a cool cover on the back, and then on the inside they're just like simple pages that you can like take notes on, and like this one over here in this image, as you can see, nothing too crazy, just a simple hardcover on the back, and then just simple paperback over here. Pretty simple, right? So this is the type of we're going to be creating. So over here you can go with different types of notebooks. Let's say you could go with a cat composition, like with a cat background over here at the top. As you can see, like these are pretty cool, we can easily create them, nothing too serious. So let's go ahead and actually do this. So how do you create this? Well, it's pretty simple. You come over here onto Bookbolt, and it's a pretty cool website where you can create pretty simple looking and pretty amazing looking books. And over here, let's just get started for free. So over here, just simply sign up and you are good to go. And once you have done that, you are good to go. So over here, this is how it looks like. Over here on the left side, you have all your options. You have products, you have sellers, you have clouds, book scout, which is going to help you to find some cool books like online, like a keyword research tool. You can add in the ASIN number and you are good to go. Same with KDP Spy, basically like a Chrome extension that's going to help you to get information on a particular book and help you get keywords and stuff like that, so you can rank it up on Amazon, right? So once you do that, let's go over here onto product. So over here, as you can see, you have this tool at the top right corner. Over here, if you click on research, you'll have all of your research tools, but if you want to create, you will click on create, and you have these two options. So you have Puzzle Whiz, Book Bold Designer, and you have Bold Mass Cover Converter. So over here, simply click on Book Bold Designer, and it's going to take you over here where you just have to log in, right? And you are good to go. So over here, you will basically be designing your cover, your product, your book. And let me just get rid of that. So over here, paperback or hardcover, it all depends on you. And you will have your trim size and paper color and your page count over here, and you just simply click on submit. And you can also do this on Canva as well. Like over here, if you search for, let's say, book, you will have book creator cover over here that you can do, and you have book creator cover as well, and you have books as well. So it all depends on you. So if you click on book cover, then you will have this option right here where you have a bunch of different covers that you can choose from, right? And over here you have blank canvases, you have more canvases over here. You can choose all of this from the template section, or you can go with a blank cover right here, and you can create your own blank canvas over here. So over here, if you wanted to create a design, let's say go back to Amazon, like over here, as you can see, simple design, nothing too fancy. So we have cats, right? So let's go ahead and search for cats. Then we have a bunch of different ones, and we go into elements over here and we search for cats over here. Then we have a bunch of different options right here. You can go with anything like this, like maybe like something along this line, maybe we could go with that, put it over there, like simply like this one over here. And maybe you can add like a cat design over here at the top, and maybe you could go with another cat over here at the bottom, like this one over here, put that over there, and you are good to go, right? Simply like that, like nothing too fancy, pretty simple. And over here you will see they have a small box that have composition notebook at the top written over here, so we could go with that one as well. So let's go ahead and put a box over there, maybe like a square, like a square frame like this one right here. So maybe if we rectangleize that and put it right here, put it at that, like over here, and then we change the color to anything we want, something like this. And then we can add the lines as well, or maybe we could go with something like this with a little more rough look over here. So over here, let me put that over there. I can't do that, I guess. So what about this one? No, this one also does not go good. What about this one? No, I guess we'll go with this one as well. So pretty much I just put that over there, and yes, one over here, this over here, put this right here. There you go. Now we just change the color to whatever you want, or we can also search for rectangle as well. Maybe that would look even better, like this one. Maybe we can put this over here, but it doesn't look really good. What about this one? I think this looks much better. We're gonna go with this one. Put this over here at the center, like this. Maybe over here. And I would like to, have it a little bit transparent, to showcase the back as well. Then I just put in some lines like this one, and I just put that over there, and I just put another one maybe like over here at the top. And how do I adjust it? Maybe like, let me just zoom in real quick, increase the length of it as well over here. If I put that over there, increase the length, there we go, put it in the center. Now let me just delete this one real quick, and then I just copy it and paste it 2 or 3 times. Now I would like to select these lines, so I'll just select them and come over here and click on position and click on tidy up, and yeah, I think that looks nice. And I just put that over here, and I just put the lines right over here. Nothing too crazy. There you go. There you go. Everything looks good. All the lines are, centered. Let me just increase one over here. All the lines are equal. Now we just, actually, let me just put this over right here. And then over here, I can write a text. I can move it over here, and I can call it a composition notebook, and I can change the fonts of it as well. You can change the fonts to whatever you feel like looks good. Maybe something like this over here, or something a little bit more doodly type. So let's see if we can find something similar to that, like doodles, like over here, architect's daughter. Yeah, I think this one looks nice. So now all that's left for us to do is just increase it a little bit, and then we just move it over here right in the center. There we go. So overall, I think it looks good right here. That looks nice. So this is going to be like our cover, and then we can create another, copy this, and make another page, paste that at the back. Actually, copy all of this. Let me actually delete this and paste that over there. Boom, there we go. This is going to be like the back of the cover, and once you're done, you just simply download it. Download over here, and once it's downloaded, you are good to go. And also, you can also create other pages as well. Like, it's pretty simple. Let me actually do that. So for example, let's say you want to create a page. All right, you come over here. This is going to be your page. Let me zoom out a little bit. You take the lines over here, you put the lines over like that, and then you maybe like vertical lines as well. Like this is going to be like the margin line, you put it anywhere you want. I think this over here looks nice. And then you take another line, right, and you move it from one end to another end, and then you just copy them and paste them a bunch of different times, and then you select these lines, and then you tidy them up. No, I don't want that. I want them center aligned. Okay, this is very weird. It should work, but I guess we have to do it manually, I guess. So then we just take these up and put them right over here. Increase the size of that one as well. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Then we move this one as well, right around over here. There we go. Again, move this one over here, this one over here. At 76, nothing too crazy. 76 over here, 76, 76. See, that looks nice. And then we just copy them and paste them. So then we just put them right over here, copy them and paste them again, paste them over here, and then move it down right over here. 76. There you go. Looks nice. Looks really cool. Let me actually move all of this up a little bit, because the bottom, there's not much space. So now we just move it a little bit over here. I think that looks good. There you go. Now what we need to do is we just need to, lessen the value of it, like make it a little bit more transparent. So over here, click on transparent mode over here, and there, much better. Now we just copy all of this page. We'll create a new page. Do this a bunch of different times. How many pages you want, you just do this. You are good to go. And pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. Create a bunch of different pages and you should be good to go. So once everything looks good, just simply, go ahead and download it. Download the composition over here. And once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and sell it on to Canva over here. And then if you're wondering how you can do that, well, it's pretty simple. Simply click on create. You choose which type of book you want. So since it's a paperback, we click on create book, right? Over here, we add in the book title, we add in the subtitle, we add in the series, edition number or author, contributor, and description. and then we add the paperback content and paperback rights and pricings, and then we are good to go. So that is it, pretty much. Nothing too complicated about that. That's how you create a low content Kindle book for Amazon KDP. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.